All right, hey friends, welcome to another do-it-yourself tutorial from Scott's Garage. Today we're going to be installing a new filter in this Germ Guardian air purifier. So stick around, it's a really easy process. We're going to do that right now. Okay, so this Germ Guardian air filter does need to be replaced / cleaned every once in a while. Especially if you have a dog and dog hair, just like you saw with Rue Girl who just walked by, as well as Kenai here. So we've got a couple of dogs here at the house, which means we're going to need to replace this thing because it's been probably about at least a year or so. So the way to do this, now this is the AC5000e. That's the model number for the Germ Guardian here. And basically, you can find your model number on the very bottom. There's a little sticker here that we can take a look at. As you can see there, you can see the model number right there. So that is where you're going to find your exact model number for your Germ Guardian. Again, once you have that, you're going to need to order a replacement filter through Amazon. Is a great place. I'll put a link in the description box below for this exact one. But let's take a look at that. Okay, so here is my replacement filter. You can see that on one side, this is going to be the side that actually faces the main unit. There it's just kind of plain, and then you have a little screen, a black kind of charcoal filter screen that goes on this side and is held in by a couple of little Velcro strappy kind of pieces right there. So again, this is about $13-14 on Amazon, and yeah, it actually shipped on Prime, so I got it here pretty quick. This is what we're going to be replacing. So let me show you how to find that on the main unit. Okay, so on your Germ Guardian, we're going to come around here to the very back of the unit. You're going to find this little tab. You're going to push that down, and this whole back is going to come off. Now, this is the back side of that filter. Now, believe it or not, this has actually recently been cleaned, and you can already see it's gathering dust and dog hair and all sorts of garbage. So the good news is this air filter is working, keeping our air a little bit more clean. I'm going to pull this out, and again, you'll see that it looks exactly like that new one. And there you go. So if you're just cleaning this charcoal kind of filter, it's very easy. You can actually just pull this off. This is the first thing to do just to kind of for maintenance purposes. And take this, and you can actually run it underneath some hot water and get a lot of this dirt and grime and crap off of there so that this can be reusable a few times. Now, at this point, this is getting pretty gnarly for us. Now, as you can see here on the main filter, this thing has gotten really dirty. And that is at a point now where we really do need to replace it. All right, here is our new filter. Again, charcoal filter side out. And it really is as simple as just placing it inside the bottom here and pushing it in at the top, making sure that's nice and snug up against the sides and all pushed in. And once it's like that, we can grab our backing here and make sure this tab part is towards the top. We're going to stick it down in the bottom first and then come up here and push it straight in. It really is as easy as that to change the filter. You're going to want to do this routinely, especially if you live in a house where you have multiple dogs and they're bringing in dust, dirt, dog hair, all those sorts of things. Hey, I hope that has helped, friends. Again, look in the description box below for links to purchase the filters on Amazon. That helps support this channel. If this tutorial has helped you, hey, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. We got a lot more DIY tutorials coming up real soon. Thanks for watching.